Metal and non-metal. Class 10th. A metal is a chemical element that usually lose of electrons that is called metal, also known as positively charged. Examples: copper, iron, sodium, calcium, potassium. As like sodium, two electronic configuration 281. One electron lose, then sodium positive charge. Then also get octets. Non-metals. A non-metal is a chemical element that usually gains of electrons that is called non-metal, also known as negative charge, as like oxygen, sulfur, selenium, molybdenum, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, as like fluorides. Electronic configuration 2 7. One electrons gains, then 2 or 8, that also like neon, that is also called octet level. Metal and non-metals physical properties also, that is called metal, METAL, metals लिखते हैं तो metal M mobile of electrons, also mobile of electrons, malleable होते हैं, E electric good conductor of electric current, T tensile strength, also good high temperature, L lustrous luminous and also known as solids. All metals are solid, but some metals is non liquid states. Also properties of non-metals, its opposite. Also non-metals is a liquid state or gaseous state, gaseous form. Non-metals is a low temperature. Non-metals is a not lustrous. Non-metal is a not high temperatures, also known as non-metals. Then to formation of metallic oxide and also evolve of hydrogen gas. Calcium react with water vapor, then to formation of calcium oxide and hydrogen gas. Potassium react with water vapor, then to formation of potassium oxide and hydrogen gas evolve. Metal react with X also known as halogen family also known as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Then to formation of metallic halide. As a type sodium react with chlorine, led to formation of sodium chloride common salt, and also known as sodium chloride. In class 10, chemical properties of metal. Metal react with oxygens, then to formation of metallic oxide. Example: sodium react with oxygen, then to formation of sodium oxide. Also, that is reaction is balance. Calcium react with oxygen, that is form of calcium oxide. Iron react with oxygen, that is form of ferric oxide. Second, metal react with water vapor, then to formation of metallic oxide and hydrogen gas evolve. Sodium react with water vapor, that formation of sodium oxide and water gas release. Sodium react with iodine, then to formation of sodium iodide. Calcium react with iodide, then to iodine, then to formation of calcium iodide. Also, potassium react with chlorine, then to formation of potassium chloride, then to balance of chemical reaction. Chlorine is double, then to formation of 2 and 2. Also, metals react with X, then to formation of metallic halides, also known as metallic salt. All metals to react with halides, then to formation of metallic salts, and also known as potassium bromine react with potassium bromide. It is not salt.